read this in the next one in Genesis chapter 26. Let's all read this together now. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. And the Lord appeared to him, Isaac, and said, "Do not go down to Egypt. Stay in the land of which I will tell you. Live for a time in this land, and I will be with you and bless you. For to you and to your descendants I will give all of these lands, and I will establish the oath which I swore to your father."
So they were the same. They were also like nahihingani pa ng ilang mga ginabuhat, but they were still studying at that time. So I heard that this place was taken sa Chocora. I don't know, Chocora pagyapon na karon. Chocora pagyapon karon sa Chocora ng boarding house, I believe. Boarding house na siya tapo, no? Cottage. So, dira sa sila sa unang dira sila meet. And also, fun fact is that kanina time, dili pa gini sila uyab kanina time. So, gamay na love story, no? Dili pa sila uyab kanina time. So, kisay or bad pag-ias din sila uyab. Just kidding. So, at that point, at that time, MU, sila kasulay MU din. Mutual understanding. Ayan, see. With MU. Sila kasulay ko MU before. So, naikon ang mutual understanding. So, but that time, just to share briefly what happened, MU pa sila ang time. So, walang labels pa, sila uyab. Kay tungod, kay sila from there. Okay? And so, after that, tungod kay ang kailangan way of communicating is through group na mga gatherings. Okay, dili siya kanang limited lang to dili sila allowed yet mo date na sila na kay stricto pa sa ilang time on that regard. So manang groupie kuyo with people. Is that the same with makaron nga wala yung mga exclusive na dates, more on group dates yun, no? So ingana ang set up nila before. And so kay strict man daw ang mga ates and kuyas at that time. So wala ang hindi lagi allow nga mag-date sila lang. Okay? And so why am I sharing to you this is also next na slide is money ang ilang photo when they this last visited here. Dira sa familiar mo sa dapit no sa golf course. So according to them and even ilang mamo pa po the golf course is really the hot spot of mga dates, right? Dira mga picnic, magyaka, di ba? Sabay naka-experience ana. Hey, ano? So, ako personally, wala din ako na-experience na mag-date sa golf course, but they also had a fair share of mga experiences that time. So, meron ibang kilig ng mga people mag-date sa golf course. Ay, kasi yung bucket list mag-date sa golf course, ano? So, the next photo, so, when I came up with an experience ako sa college, sa IIT, a lot of things shifted, no? I had friends who were really kanang very, how should I say this? They're good, but may mga bad influences po na ilang ginaginatag sa kuha. So, say for example, sa una kayo, hindi ko balik ko kanang muhinom, hindi sa kupasa ko ba, hindi ko na ba. Pero pag ako ng third year, nagsugod ng everything. And even sa akong high school, I also got addicted to the most weakness of men, no? Which is lust and pornography. So that is how I grew up at that time. It continued on as I studied sa college, and when I got into romantic relationships, na I really thought that was the one, pero hindi pala. Saklap mo. So it's because I was only doing what my flesh wants to. And so it was really a spiral of yes, kanang change na ko, magbago na ko, New Year's resolution, hindi na ako magtanaw ingani, undang na ko mga ingani. But then again, the cycle continues. Mga ipasaylo, na okay na, buhat otro, napun, may napagpasaylo, na okay na, buhat na sa otro. And that cycle continued up until pandemic. Hantod sa nag-pandemic na lang yung how much worse na nag-pandemic na yung isolation, right? Ako rin ng isa kaana. And just to give an idea how I came to know Jesus is through my family, through my parents. Akong mom, si Jocelyn, or G, and akong dad, Dominador, Dominador, very karaan kayo, doon sa kayang danay. So, I grew up just as an only child, so in the family. And only child has pros and cons. Kasi only child rin. Yan. Ikaw na yung mga pros and cons, right? Really good. Mas, ito na yung nindot, na yung mga tanan, wala kay katunga. Pero pati po, wala kay kasturya, right? So, I don't know if you can agree with that, ma'am, but kana siya, no? At I grew up na I have all the resources, not literally all, but I was provided. Although wala lang yung kasturya within the family, of course, mag-work ang ako, mom, and dad. And so, here, because of the ministries here, the campus ministries here, like House of Faith, Agape, CG, because of that, my parents came to know Jesus Christ. And I was a recipient of their love as well. So recipient ko sa love na ilang na-receive kay Jesus, and it was passed down sa kuha. And so the gospel was actually shared sa kuha when I was around 6 to 8 years old. So mga bata pa ko, mga way buot na moments, no? So, and I can still vividly remember how they shared the gospel to me. So namin sa balay, sa room namo, then it was gabi na kitawag ako kalit sa mong papa, nak, alisa dali. So, ito yung story namin. And then he asked me, if ever kanang mamatay ka, ka matulong after? Ako nga, kung may buot no, ambot dad. No, di ko sure. And so, that moment, pinatay niya i-share ang iyang na-receive na love ni Lord sa kuha. And so, I can still vividly recall the moment na I said yes in walking dira kay Lord. He was really excited to a point na tawag akong mother, Gigi, kitawag na ni MM. MM na akong nickname. Kaya MM akong nickname. Kitawag na ni MM si Jesus. Pero yung na ang feel na nalipay. Kitawag na someone really shared the gospel. So, especially sa iyang anak, right? So I can say, gabi lang isig, gabi lang kalipay. And they were really rejoicing at the moment I received Jesus Christ at that time. And so, of course, I grew up in that kind of family, got that kind of dynamics. But of course, it wasn't smooth sailing. And so, in the next slide, this is what I want to share to you, everyone, and I want to share to you also a short testimony of mine that, well, ko sa kinan, okay, just to be clear, I just got this photo, but this analogy of on the driver seat. So, growing up, as I go on with my life, attend ko mga Bible studies, Bible school, so sa Sunday na mga Sunday school, of course, right? So, even akong high school, it really talks more about kanang biblical mga foundations. I memorize mga verses. I don't know if you're familiar with ACE na curriculum or Advanced Christian Education na curriculum. So, kanang may mga pieces, and so on, so for example, I don't think so, no? If kung hindi sila aggressive in sharing the gospel, if hindi sila aggressive in how they experience Jesus Christ at that time, I don't think we're going to receive that same love if it's not because of, although it's because of Jesus, but at the same time, it's because of their passion to share it to other nations. I don't think we're going to receive that. And that's why it's really want to emphasize that we need to echo God's love in our classmates, for example, in our friends, in our circle of influence, in our family members especially. We need to echo that same love, that same promise that we received from our forefathers, and even until now, we need to pass it on. Are you with me so far? Ayan, praise God. And so